Manager, guys, where are the files? Give me fast. Why do you want me die this early? I married few weeks ago. I haven't seen my children's face. I don't want to die this early. Please give me the files. Girl 1, sir, nothing will happen to you. You will see your great grandchildren's face too. Manager, oh really? By which speed you all are working, I don't think I can see tomorrow's sunshine. Boy 1, sir, why are you panicking? We are completing the files. You will get the file before time. Boy 2, yes sir, you are scaring us, no reason. And us too. Yungi sir is out of town, let us enjoy this moment. Manager, Yungi sir is out of town, not Jin sir, he is still here. Girl 1, Jin sir is so sweet, who can escape from him? He never raised his voice. Manager, guys, stop talking and complete the files. Tomorrow is very important meeting. T, what's happening here? Manager, T, thank God you came. See, they all are wasting their time in talking. Tomorrow's meeting files haven't completed yet. T, skinny voice, what? Why do you think? Why you are here? Tomorrow is meeting and still files haven't ready. Are you out of your mind? Do you understand the seriousness of tomorrow's meeting? No, this won't work. You girl gave him a box of strawberries. T sir, we prepared something for you. Please accept our apology. T looked at the box of strawberries. Do you think you can buy me by these strawberries? And girl spat it. Everyone scared and looked down. Sorry sir. T, deep voice. What sorry, If you think you can take advantage of Yoongi Hang's absence, then looked at everyone's scared face. Then you are right. Jumped on the table and started eating strawberries. Everyone was shocked and looked at him with dumbfounded face, but after seeing his cute expression by eating strawberries, they all sighed in relief and smiled. T was cutely eating strawberries just like a little kid. Manager, T, you also got involved with them. T, chill Manager Hyang. Yoongi Hyang went out of town. If me, being his own brother, this much scared from him, then these are the poor employees. I can't imagine how they bore Yoongi Hyang's cruelty. Jimin, cruelty, So Yoongi Hyang is cruel. Manager, Jimin, at least you make them understand the seriousness of meeting. They brought tea by strawberries. Do something. Jimin, this Titi is a child, only his body grew, but from mind he is still a kid who can do anything for the strawberries. What do you expect from him? T, while eating strawberries, at least my body grew, unless like you, who is still looking like middle school student. Jimin, have you forgotten your manners? Don't forget, I'm your elder brother. Be respectful towards me, otherwise. T looked at him. Elder brother, you are only 2 minutes elder than me. First grow up, kid, then become a young. Jimin, super angry. Kim Taeyang, there is only 1 centimeter height difference between me and Yoongi Hang. Does he also seem like a kid to you? T, indeed, he is only 1 centimeter taller than you, but his aura is very scary. His deep voice can send shiver in anyone's spine. And here is you, who are angry but still looks like a cute and adorable, just like a Moochie. Jimin, Kim Taeyang, now I won't leave you. Get ready for your funeral. When I will send this video to Yoongi Hang, then I don't think you will be able to breathe. Showed him a video. Manager shouts, enough guys! Stop behaving like kids. I don't forget you are in a company where you work, not in your home. If you want to do bickering, then go to home and do there. Jimin, Hyang scolded him. He's behaving like a kid, not me. T. Hyang, I didn't even say anything. If he looks like a middle school student, then what can I do in it? Can't an innocent TT say the truth? Manager, I can't believe. Shut your mouth. If a single word listen from your mouth, then you don't trust me. You will get a tight slap from me. If you weren't there, brothers, no one would give you a job. You are taking advantage of Jimin. What do we need to find a job? It's our own company, Hang. We have 4 Hangs who can take care of us. T. Right, we work here just for pocket money. Manager, now I'm regretting on my decision to join your company. You both look good at home. Jimin, sit beside T on the table. It's your fault, Yang. You yourself invited trouble for you. Now you can't escape from us. Took the strawberry. T snatches strawberry from his hand. It's mine. Get yours. I won't share these with anyone. Jimin looked at his staff. Won't you get anything to buy me? Girl, sorry, Jimin. Jimin, what sorry? I want cheese balls. Go and get me cheese balls. Otherwise, I will send the video to Yoongi Hang. He will definitely fire you all. June, who fired whom? Jimin looked at him and immediately jumped down. Jun Hang. June looked at T. Oh, we hire you to eat strawberries and do gossiping. T, without looking at him, Junhyang, talk with me after some times. It's my strawberry time. Junhyang already snatched my strawberries. Do you know, after a whole 2 days, I got my strawberries back. Hobie snatched the strawberry box from his hand. You all are doing fun. Do you know how much Jinhyang is angry? He was literally shouting and yelling on me and June because of you all. Jimin, chill Hyang. Jinhyang's anger is also so sweet, just like him. If we will say him sorry, then his anger will melt like butter. Oh really? T, yeah really. In our family, there is only one cruel person and that isn't here. I'm so angry from Jinhyang. Why so? T, why did he bring such a cruel brother? In our family, everyone is so sweet. I think they might have been exchanged in the hospital. Came in front of him and could might have happened in past. T looked at him and immediately jumped on Jinhyang. Jin grabbed his ear and twisted. Yes, me. Aren't you started speaking a lot? T screamed, ah, Yang, I don't have tongue. Then how can I speak? Aren't I your cute little baby? Jin, my cute little baby, looked at his staff. Yoongi isn't here, so you all are becoming so careless, In working hours, you all are gossiping. I checked everything. None of single thing happened today. Everyone is in picnic mode. Manager Jin Hyang, I was trying to make them understand this, but they aren't listening me. And you know, tomorrow's meeting file haven't completed yet. Jin, what? Guys, be ready. Yoongi will fire you all for your carelessness. Menwen, sir, meeting is tomorrow. We have whole day to prepare the file. Tomorrow you will get the file before Yoongi sir's arrival. Jin, Yoongi is returning tonight. I can't take any risk. Give me the file till the evening. If he will ask me to see the file, then what will I do? Watchman ran inside. Yoongi sir is coming. Get back to your work. Everyone shocked. What? Everyone started running here and there after hearing this news. They were scared but can't show this in their face. Soon Yoongi entered on his cold and strict era. Staff, good afternoon, sir. Yunki, afternoon. Where is Yang? Manager looked at Jin, who was hiding under the table. Don't know, sir. Yunki, okay, I will find him. Looked at June, yes, Yang. Yunki, I told you to prepare financial report. Is it ready? June, yes, Yang, it's ready. Yunki, come to my cabin and show me. Looked at Hobie, check the arrangement in conference room. Hobie, but why Yang? Meeting is tomorrow, na? Yunki, no, meeting got preponed. It will be in next 2 hours. That's why I came back in hurry. You go and check the arrangements. Left. Everyone, what? Meeting is in 2 hours. Now what will we do? Manager, I warned you before, but you didn't listen to me. Now get ready to fire. Jimin, relax guys, don't panic. We still have 2 hours. We all will help. I will prepare presentation. T and I will collect all the details. Jin and I will engage Yungi. Best of luck. Everyone got back to their work and started working on the files. Just few minutes ago, they all were enjoying, and now they are seriously doing their work. Yungi's effect. Time skipped after some times. Meeting has started few minutes ago. Everyone was able to complete the files before the time, and luckily they didn't get caught by Yungi. Now they were relaxing. Jin, Yungi, June, and Hopi were in conference room. Women were chilling with the other staff as they were only trainees, so they aren't allowed to attend the meeting. Just then, a little boy came inside the company. Watchmen were trying to stop him, but he ran inside and started calling everyone's name by anger. Cook angrily shouts, Kim Chini, Kim Chuni, Kim Hopi, Kim Jingi, Kim Titi, Kim Mini, PLLU, to the no one can spare from Cookie. Cookie will burn you all by Cookie's anger. Girl, hey kid, who are you? Why are you shouting? Cook angrily looked at her. Who are you? Girl, I work here, but who are you? Cook, you said you work here and didn't know Cookie? Cookie is Kim Cookie, owner of this company. Girl pulled his cheeks. Baby shouldn't lie. It's bad manners. Now tell your mama or dada's number. I will inform them about you. They must be worried for you. Hearing Cookie's voice, women hide under the table. Why? You will get to know this soon. They were very scared from him. Cookie, why did he came here? Jimin, please save me from his anger. Hugged him tightly. Jimin, don't clinch me. You clinchy bear. T again hugged him tightly. Don't do this. You are my Jimin Hyang. Jimin, oh, so now I became Hyang. Aren't I middle school student? T, what are you saying, Hyang? I'm elementary school student. Please save me. Last time he made me take whole house round when I forget to bring his banana milk. I don't know what wrong I did today. Jimin, how will I save you here? I'm also so scared from him. Don't know why he came here. T, but how did he come here? He didn't know here's route. Jimin, T, sometimes it's good to use your brain. He didn't come here by himself. He must be come here by driver. Now just pray Hank's meeting and soon and they will handle him before he burst. T, I don't think so. Jimin, why? T, just look there. That stupid girl pulled his cheeks. Now be ready for explosion. Cook, screamed, "Ah! How dare you to pull Cookie's cheeks? You fired! No need to come from tomorrow! Kim Ginny!" Menvan, hey kid, listen, don't shout. You must have any misunderstanding. Come and sit. Give him a chair. Cook kicked the chair. Cookie hasn't come here to shit. We are like Kim Chin, Kim Chuni, Kim Chinky, Kim Hoopy, Kim Titi, Kim Minnie. Mintu, hey kid, what's this? Haven't anyone taught you manners? Cookie became so mad and started breaking everything. Women came out to stop him, but he didn't listen to them. His anger exploded. After breaking all the things, he went to conference room. Women ran behind him to stop, but he passed inside and interrupted the meeting. Seeing him, everyone was shocked. Jin, shocked. Cookie, what are you doing here? Women, sorry Hank, we were trying to stop him, but he didn't listen to us. Junki, Client, Mr. Kim, what's happening this? Who is this boy? This meeting is very important. June, just give us 1 minute, sir. Jin, Cookie, go outside. We will talk after this meeting. Cook, this is Cookie's time. You all promised Cookie to spend time with Cookie and take Cookie to mall. But you are using Cookie's time to do meeting and do without informing Cookie. Today was Cookie's day. Cookie was waiting you all at home, but you all forget your promise. Cookie never come in between your work, but your meeting come in Cookie's time. Cookie is so angry. Cookie will never talk with you all. You all are so bad. Don't you dare to talk with Cookie. Go to that uncle's house and live there. You all aren't allowed in Cookie's house. Meeting. All the time you wanna do meeting. You don't have time for Cookie. Then fine. Now Cookie has time for you all. He picked a glass of water and threw it on projector's skin, and angrily left outside behind him. Everyone ran outside and saw this destructive scene. Not a single piece was unbroken. Cookie broke everything. Client, what happened here? Has any earthquake come? Hobie, our Cookie earthquake came. June, in mind, his little hands are so powerful. He literally broke everything. I guess he caught the god of destruction power. Jin, sorry sir, we can't do this meeting. We will arrange the meeting someday. Sorry. Ran to their home. They all came back home, but Cookie didn't let them enter. They then called their parents and told them everything. After hearing everything, their parents made them understand that just like meeting is important, same as spending time with Cookie is also very important. They shouldn't break their promise. They talked with Cookie too and told them to punish them and forgive them only this time. If next time they break their promise, then they will take him to themselves. Cookie agreed to his parents because he was a good boy. He always listened to their parents, so he told Jin to clean pool, backyard and garden, Chunky to prepare food for 100 people and send them to needy people, June to write we will never break promise 200 times, Hobie to clean the whole room and women to dance until everyone finished their work. After 2 hours, they all finished their work. Cook, have you taught your lesson? Everyone, yes, we promise we will never break a promise and always keep it. Because of meeting, it slipped from our mind. Please forgive us. Cook, Uti, Cookie forgives you all, but only this time. Next time, if you forget, then Cookie will go to Mama at the house. Now let's go and distribute the food for needy people. They all have to distribute food by being fully tired. It's their punishment, so they have to complete it. Make promise that you can keep and keep the promise which you make. Breaking a promise is like breaking a trust which can never be fully restored. No matter what you do, set the good example in front of children. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. So many of you requested cookie story. So here it is. If you have any idea, then comment down. I will try to make it. If you want to teach a child anything, then first you have to do that thing. Never ever break your promises. It will set the wrong example in front of children. Cookie has the full attitude. Once he decided that he won't talk with anyone, then he didn't talk. Hanks had to do lots of hard work to coax him. After all, he got his attitude from his Hanks. He is little boss of them. Everyone is scared from his anger. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.